As Nigerians increasingly use online banking, digital payments, hotel bookings, and mobile apps, concerns over data privacy and security continue to grow. In Abuja, the Nigeria Data Protection Commission is strengthening safeguards for millions of citizens through sector-specific privacy frameworks for the telecommunications, financial and hospitality sectors. 3 years after the Nigerian Data Protection Act was signed into law, the Commission says implementation is entering a new phase. As a stakeholder engagement, industry players, regulators and privacy experts gather to develop tailored frameworks for sectors handling large volumes of personal data.
What you expect or what you see in the financial sector is different from telecoms, different from education, different from health. And we felt it is really important for us to have sector-specific frameworks that will speak directly to how they collect, process, store and share data for different sectors. And that's the whole essence of this. 2 weeks ago, we took e-commerce, which cuts across all sectors. And now we are looking at 3 major sectors. The financial sector, where you have a huge amount of data being processed by all the stakeholders in the sector. In fact, like I said before, for the traditional banks, we have over 100 million. For the fintechs and the digital lending bank, over 100 million. Look at the telecom sector, where you have the intelligence in Nigeria is over 85%. And look at the hospitality industry that covers hotels, event centers, travel, aviation, and so on. So these are very important sectors, and we need to really speak to the type of data they collect, the kind of measures that they put in place for compliance in terms of their registration, their data privacy policies, data privacy impact assessment, ROPA, record of data processing activities, and so on.
Cybersecurity expert Abdul Hakim Ajijola says personal data has become one of the world's most valuable commodities.
Inherently, we believe as human beings that our data is important. Now, when it comes to our digital data, one of the challenges we see is that we get a lot of services on digital platforms supposedly for free, but they are not actually free. You have to give them your data, your name, your phone number, your email. And there's another saying I hope that your viewers will take to heart. When a product is free, or when something is free, you are not the customer. You are the product being sold.
Also speaking, data governance specialist Rex Abitogun stressed that sector-specific regulations are necessary because data handling practices vary widely across industries.
So our focus is on telecom sector, and the essence of that is for us to have a framework that guides data protection and privacy in the telecom sector, as well as that affects those people that operate in the telecom sector, the vast service providers, mobile network, the infrastructure providers, as well as other people that ride on telecoms services or infrastructure to offer service, including financial and health sector.
Stakeholders say involving operators in drafting the framework will improve compliance and ensure the regulations reflect realities within each sector. With Nigeria's digital economy growing rapidly and more services moving online, experts believe stronger privacy protections will be critical to securing personal information, strengthening consumers' trust, and ensuring that Nigerians retain control over their digital identities.